Okay, I'm not entering.
Can I have a flashlight?
Yeah, I'm not going. Hello everyone, welcome to IMG World. Sorry, this is how the whole show is going to be like this. Okay, so guys, my name is Anil Logo and we have Sharon.
Today's video is all about a poker face challenge.
Yes.
Like this.
Yeah, just like Spider-Man has a poker face when he does all his crazy stunts. Today we are at IMG World doing the poker face challenge. The challenge is that whatever we do, we cannot give any reaction.
No reaction, no smile, no talking, and we have 7 rounds.
So in this poker face challenge, whoever reacts, whether a smile, whether a wow, whatever, no reaction at all, and whoever gives this reaction loses. Yeah.
And along with this challenge, we're also going to give you an amazing tour of the whole IMG world of adventure, the rides, the food, and lots of fun. Let's go.
It's gonna be amazing. Let's go like Spider-Man. Okay, so guys, we have entered this place. Oh my god, wow. We have an opening ceremony organized by IMG guys. And you can also check it out if you come over here.
And the battle starts right now. Anil Poker Face. I want to smile looking at all these characters.
It's not done. You can't. We should have put ground rules. We can't talk. Okay, we'll do it again. Okay, round 2, subsection 1. There are people smiling, but we aren't. They're getting demotivated because we aren't giving any reaction to them.
Must be thinking you're so rude.
Yeah. Oh damn, I'm going to hit right. Hey Sharon. She lost again, guys. No. This is the challenge.
Round 2 is over.
2. Score is Sharon is on
We
2.
didn't know there were 3 subsections.
We also did not.
You announced the first subsection and the second. You didn't announce the third one.
We were doing it was constant. You know? क्या cheating हो रहा है? Cheater. Sharon is a cheater. The score is 2-1. Yay! After the first round, the score is 2-1.
That was a trial round, guys. That was a trial round.
No trial. Hey, this is not trial.
The actual round is right now. There's a new zone in IMG World. It's called the Inflatable Park, and we're going right now just inside. That's round 1.
Okay, no problem. I'll still win this. Let's see. Wait, this is the challenge?
What?
Spider-Man event. Oh god. Okay, this is like my Baspan ka pyar. This is gonna be tough. But I'm going to give my best, guys. I'm not going to react at all. Okay, so after round 1, we are dead. Score is
1-0. It doesn't matter who laughed first. He was the one first caught on camera.
no. This is not done. Okay, round 2 is going to be exciting. This one I will choose. Sharon, we have reached round 2. It's called the Predator. After looking at this, what do you say? What do you think?
I don't think I'm coming inside here.
What? Hey, I think I'm going to win this one.
Yeah, we'll see. You
Yes.
haven't been here before.
Oh, अरे हाँ यार. I think looking at this setup of this place, I think round 2 might backfire on me. It looks scary. So guys, if you ever come to this place, you need to remember to not carry your phones or your cap or anything that might fly out of your hand, because you will not find it again. Like the predator will eat it. So Sharon, दिल थाम के बैठिए. Let's go. I'm going to win this one. 3, 2, 1. Poker face. Let's go. This feels like you're watching the Jurassic Park movie, the first part. Please smile.
Okay, not on the ride yet.
It's counted.
We're
Everything
not
is
on the
counted.
ride yet.
Oh god. Okay, bye. This is the most scariest trip. I won this round. I mean, I must have reacted like a lot. You must have heard my screams. That was me, I would accept. But she dropped off.
Hasn't been to the scariest ride in IMG World, and that's next.
Oh, man. Its score is 1-1. Score is 1-1.
It's time for round 3. It's the Dino Carousel. Anil is right there.
Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Poker face.
So my strategy worked. This was the most chilled out ride in IMG World, the Dino Carousel, and Anil lost. Hi Anil! You literally lost in a Dino Carousel. You cracked a joke on me and you laughed on it.
Yeah, I thought it was
How
a good
sad
joke.
is that? Final score is now 2-1.
It's my turn. Okay, now I've understood her tricks. Now I know how to play this game. Guys, next one, round number 4. I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to win the next round.
It's the only outdoor ride in IMG World and the fastest one.
Yeah, and we're going over there. Sharon, I
I'm
think
coming.
the sound of this place is only giving us like thrills. Okay, for the past 2 hours, we're just walking to this ride. It is like 1 kilometer far.
One eternity later.
We've reached finally. Sharon, are you excited? Okay, guys, we've entered the Vahan. The car, oh my god, this looks scary. Okay, guys, my turn. This is my second scary ride.
Loser. This was the most epic ride in IMG World. Even if you're scared of thrilling rides, you have to check it out. It's called the Velociraptor. And by the way, we've got to settle the scores now. It's 3-1. So now we're heading to the Cartoon Network zone, which is the most fun zone. It's one of my favorites. But Anil, I'm not going to spoil the rides for you.
Wait, what?
Unexpected things happen in Cartoon Network zone.
Wait. Unexpected means if you have to rate that ride and this ride, how unexpected?
10.
She smiled first. She started smiling and I told her that you're
Honestly,
smiling.
don't feel bad about losing this round. We both lost, but I don't feel bad because this was amazing, guys.
Next challenge is called. Wait, it's coming. Let it come, then I'll tell you. Is this, guys?
It's going to be a little difficult for this round, but we're going to try our best.
So we need to gorge on this wonderful piece of artwork. We need to try this out. How huge it is, man!
Oh, Anil, we can't see you.
Yay! Okay, all right.
Guys, this is the IMG Gold Burger. So you have the bread bun, and then you have it cleared with lettuce, there's tomato, there's a massive big beef patty inside layered with cheese, topped with onion rings, then topped with the bread, of course, potato matchsticks, and 23 karat gold right here.
Yeah.
So Anil and I are going to dive in. We have our plates here, and now we're going to bite. We're going to dig in our burgers.
She smiled a lot before that. Now she really.
The challenge just starts now. So 3,
She
2,
just
1.
smiled. Let's go.
It's so evident right now. He's laughing. Who laughs while eating a burger?
Three, 2, 1, let's go. Where do we go? Okay, I'm getting goosebumps. Yeah, I'm not going. This place is crazy. I don't know. This whole challenge thing is challenging us. So right now the score after the haunted house round, which is round 6, is 3-all. Yes, I won this round.
No, you scrammed before. You
I might have scrammed.
both lost
But,
it.
okay, I must have done that. So okay, fine. Both get a point.
No.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, we get a point. We both get a point.
Yeah, so
that
it's
is fine.
4-3.
Yeah.
Done. 4-3 is the score, guys. Challenge number which?
I lost 6 or 7. 6.
Okay, we forgot
I
what
won the
was.
last challenge, by the way.
So Sharon, are you ready? After seeing
I
what
don't.
you saw,
I don't mind losing this challenge. I'm
that
still
will-
1 point ahead of you, so yeah.
okay, then we should try it because at least I'll have little to prove myself. Okay, so let's go.
I'm not coming on this ride.
You're not coming,
No,
so I just have to enjoy this ride and that's it.
no, you win it.
I believe I can fly.
I won. The score is.
This is the poker face challenge and the smile on the right.
She quit and
Doesn't
she
matter
said.
whether I came or not. Final round, guys.
Yes, it's the final round and it's the decider because if I lose this round, then obviously I lost. But if I win this round, then it's a tie. And if there's a tiebreaker, then we'll have to see what we do.
There's not going to be a tie.
It has to be a tie.
The Spider-Man ride in the Marvel Zone. This is again one of the most terrifying rides now.
Damn!
That's the end of the video. Guess who won?
I really thought, when I thought of this challenge that I will win, but I miserably lost. So guys, all the men out there who think that they have, strength, your strength will be tested over here. Women have a lot of, I don't know what, but they don't react, man. Guys, if you're going to come to Dubai, IMG World is the place you need to visit because it will blow your mind. It is crazy.
The rides here are amazing and so is the food. When you come here, you not only have to check out the rides but also go and treat yourself to one of these amazing restaurants out there. There's Indian, Chinese, Thai, street food. There's a lot of it.
Yeah, just don't eat it and go for the ride. It will all come out. So with this, let's end the video. Winner gets nothing. Yay! Winner gets nothing over here.
If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. See you for another challenge.
Yes, next time, let's see who wins the next round. Bye-bye.